5 protein-rich smoothies. Protein smoothies are a great option for a hearty breakfast and a way to get enough protein. We offer you 5 delicious smoothie recipes, which contain 10 to 40 grams of protein. Delicious fruit cocktails will appeal not only to vegetarians, but to all supporters of a healthy diet. Now let's move on to our delicious recipes. 1. Banana Cranberry Peanut Butter Smoothie. Cranberry promotes good digestion and has anti-inflammatory properties. Ingredients: 1 large banana, sliced, 1/4 glass of cranberries, 1 to 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 1 tablespoon chia seed, 5 tablespoons hemp seed, 1 glass of coconut milk, 3 to 4 ice cubes. To prepare banana cranberry peanut butter smoothie. Hemp and chia seeds need to be crushed. Whisk the coconut milk and ground seeds in a blender, then add the rest of the ingredients and whisk again. 2. Apple Cinnamon Smoothie, 10 g protein. If you add 2 tablespoons of shelled hemp seeds, you will increase the protein content by 5 grams without changing the taste of the smoothie. Ingredients: ½ cup oatmeal, ½ glass of cold water, ½ teaspoon cinnamon, ½ teaspoon nutmeg, 1 tablespoon almond oil, ½ cup coconut milk, 1 small apple, 3 to 4 ice cubes. To prepare apple cinnamon smoothie. Add the oatmeal and water to a blender and blend for 2 to 3 minutes, until the cereal is tender. Then add the rest of the ingredients to a blender and blend for about 30 seconds. Pour into a glass and sprinkle with extra cinnamon and nutmeg on top. 3. Tropical Mint Smoothie, 33 g protein. Perfect for breakfast, this smoothie will energize you all day. Ingredients: 1 large orange, ½ cup mango, 1 banana, sliced, a handful of acai berries, 1 tablespoon chia seed, 1 tablespoon flax seed, 2 tablespoons hemp seed, ½ cup coconut milk, 4 to 5 fresh mint leaves. How to prepare tropical mint smoothie. Chia, hemp and flax seeds must be ground beforehand. Add all ingredients to a blender, and beat until smooth. 4. Blueberry Hercules Smoothie, 40.5 g protein. Blueberries contain potassium, magnesium and phosphorus, as well as organic acids, iron, copper and other minerals. Almond oil gives smoothies a pleasant flavor and adds healthy fats that make you feel fuller. This is the richest protein shake ever. Ingredients: ½ cup oats, ½ glass of water, 1 cup blueberries, 1 glass of coconut milk, 5 ice cubes, 1 tablespoon almond oil, 2 tablespoons chia seed. How to prepare Blueberry Hercules Smoothie. Add oats and water to a blender. Blend for 2 to 3 minutes, until the oats are tender. Then add blueberries, coconut milk and whisk. Add ice at the very end and beat again. 5. Coffee and Nut Smoothie, 15 g protein. Great pre-workout cocktail, an hour or 2. And if you add 1/4 cup of oatmeal, you get a hearty breakfast. You will get a boost from caffeine and a feeling of fullness from carbohydrates and protein. Ingredients: 1 large banana, sliced, 1 cup of cold coffee, 1 tablespoon cocoa crumbs, 2 tablespoons hemp seed, 1 glass of almond milk, 1/4 cups of cashew nuts, 20 pieces. How to prepare coffee and nut smoothie. Soak cashews in water for 6 hours. Make coffee and leave to cool. When the cashews are done, add all the ingredients to a blender and whisk thoroughly. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to our channel for more useful videos.